Now this repertory gives you all this panorama. You can use this as a potential differential field. If you want to restrict and find out which remedy has worked beautifully, you will see this in here. And just first remedy, every change of weather, the child catches cold. Would you think of sepia? No. Change of weather, early stages of life, children. See how beautifully it has been recorded, documented. Give this remedy, and this is more or less seen in Europe, in US, in India we have more of a stable weather. It doesn't change suddenly. In Europe, in North America, the weather changes drastically. The morning is sunny, afternoon is dull, evening is raining. This sudden changes of weather, the child is always down with the problem. Give CPR repeatedly and you will see the result. See the importance and see how well it has been documented. Okay? Children, chafing, capsicum. Children, eyelashes delicate, phosphorus. Eyelashes and eyebrows thick. What is the remedy? We have done this. You see my presentation on Medorinum. Go to the webinars, study the remedy Medorinum. You will be able to help at least 10 cases in your lifetime where you could never think of Medorinum. Go to the webinar in the archives and study Medorinum. So delicate eyelashes is phosphorus. Thick, very thick eyelashes, eyebrows is Medorinum. Rhaetic. We did in Murphy the impact on bones, the crooked legs. And there we studied calcarea fos, symphytum. They were coming very high. Here you see how beautifully calcarea and calcarea fos comes. How do you differentiate between calcarea? Next, which I want to take is the series on different materia medica. The group remedies, the basic salts which forms the constitution. This is what I wish to do. I want your honest feedback. I want to take up calcarea, magnesium, natrum, kali, the potassium, ferrum and baryta. Because this forms the root of all our basic minerals and all our health, all our interactions, all our dynamism or sluggishness is dependent on these few salts. So how this remedy, see, understand this 6 remedies or the groups will cover your 30% of the cases, which is being greatly missed out in modern days of prescription. Friends, be open to learning, because only if you are open to learning, you'll be able to perform. Be like a child, learn from everybody. The person who's sitting in front of you, whether it is patient, whether it is teacher, whether it is your wife or husband, he's your teacher, she's your guru. Learn from guru. So all the people in the world should be your guru. You should develop that humbleness, you should develop that openness, and you should have that willingness, a clean slate to learn something new every day. So we did calcarea and calcarea fos. Now, how does homeopathic medicine help in rickets? There are a number of ways. I'm just sharing this with you. The minuscule supplement will correct the deficiency. The calcarea and calcarea fos will correct the deficiency. It helps in absorption of the correct nutrition which you take in food. So there are some problems by which the absorption does not happen. So when you are giving the right medicine, the absorption will take place. Third thing, it will assimilate the absorbed mineral at the correct place. So when you give the right medicine, it will assimilate the excess at the correct place. And if there are some things, there are some diseases, some problems, some hormones, which is working against the assimilation, absorption, retention, then it will eliminate those cause, those negative effects, correct the functioning of the human body and give a quality health. This is where, so without even giving any of the supplements, the correct medicine corrects the problem. And then if there is anything excess, that is thrown away. There is another remedy which is very, very important, which we have done. Can anybody tell? For rickets is calcarea floor. Calcarea floor with lot of torn bones, lot of rickets, but with lot of aggression of fluorine, which is there. Normally, when the children who are screaming, what is the first remedy which comes to our mind? Stramonium. Here is a remedy which we have helped many, many patients, even at the biochemic level, is Kali phosphoricum. Kali phosphoricum, when given in children, it cools down. It's a nerve tonic. And when it is given, it helps the child to recover. These are some of the children. We were talking about stramonium. What is the characteristic of stramonium? Stramonium will have the same aggression, okay? But what is the difference between Kali phos and stramonium? Stramonium will not be able to sleep in the dark room, but will be able to sleep in lighted room. And phosphorus, Kali phos, will not be able to sleep in lighted room, would prefer dark. See, homeopathy is so beautifully designed that they tell you, the provings tell you what are they, what are the remedies. So friends, please understand this, the finer shades of difference, the individualistic differentiating symptoms between the remedies which are coming so close. Now, children, scrawny, sweaty head, sweaty offensive smelling diarrhea, smelling feet, remedies, silica. Okay? Very, very important. Think of silica. We did not touch this remedy, but silica is one of the most important remedy because it shows deficiency. It shows offensiveness. It shows the dirtiness. So anything which is smelling, where the child is chilly, very shy, think of silica. And very important remedy for when you are thinking of stramonium, there is another remedy which comes very important is antimony crudum. Antimony crudum, you cannot look at this child. The child gets angry if you touch. Child gets angry if you look at it. And this is antimony crude. And lot of autistic children, lot of children with defects can be helped with the right homeopathic medicine, provided we give it in a correct potency and repetition. Children who are not able to walk, we think of Baraita, we think of calcarea. Here, see, open the repertory, compare other repertories, walking delayed. And here it gives a very practical remedy, manganum. We could never think of manganum in our practice because we are fixed. We have some fixed ideas and concepts about homeopathic prescription. Children who do not like to be washed, do not like to take a bath. They cannot take head bath. Head bath cannot take because of fear, different medicine. But they don't like to take wash. and that is sulfur and ammonium carb. They are the people who want to remain dirty. They remain in our own dream. And sulfur is out and out hot, while ammonium carb is chilly. See, at every stage you differentiate the medicines which are coming close to each other before you actually prescribe. In girls, remedies. See, I just wanted to share. And what are the remedies which come in girls? Like I said, belladonna, baritaka. Okay. Girls, schoolgirls headache. Normally think of natrum muriaticum. But here, see the beautifully, calcarea phos comes. Calcarea phos, natrum mur, and phosphoric acid coming so high in the prescription.